Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. Top 6 apps to make money in 2023. So make sure to watch the full video. A whopping 36% of American workers participate in the gig economy, and earning money applications have greatly lowered the hurdles that once prevented people from leaving the workplace. 1. Through free apps, you can make money to pay off debt, supplement your job, support a hobby, or even live independently. The greatest money-making apps let you sign up quickly and start working on your own schedule while getting paid quickly and easily. We looked at more than a dozen money-making applications to identify the top choices based on criteria such as earning potential, the speed at which payments are sent, and App Store reviews. According to your objectives, preferred method of earning, and amount of time available, this roundup will assist you in selecting the greatest money-making software. 6. Upwork. Upwork is the best money-making tool, regardless of whether you're starting a side company or developing a full-time freelance business, due to its ease, improved communication, and potential for freelancers to earn more money over time. Pros: easy profile setup for job searching in over 1,600 talents. Depending on ratings, overall profits, and score, attract new customers. Apply directly or accept an invitation to pursue ongoing or one-time initiatives. Payment security guarantees remuneration for effective work. Cons. Depending on total earnings per client, the service fee ranges from 5% to 20%. 10 days following the conclusion of the billing cycle, payment is provided. Customers may quickly compare prices and choose lesser ones. The finest money-making software for qualified workers to connect with clients while managing tasks in one location is Upwork, a freelance marketplace that is a driving force behind the gig economy. Upwork takes home the prize for best overall due to its wide selection of accessible skill categories, profile building tools, and boundless earning potential. Know of your prior experience. Upwork makes it simple and straightforward to set up a profile and submit applications for new projects. More than 1,600 different skill sets, including digital marketing, coding, translation, administrative labor, and much more, offer chances for freelancers. On Upwork, you can do anything that you can do on a computer. Accessible on both iOS and Android. 5. Rakuten. Rakuten provides a simple process with rewarding sign-up and referral incentives while providing a variety of cashback options for both online and in-store purchases. Pros: purchases at thousands of qualifying retailers can earn cashback of up to 40%. $10 introductory bonus after spending $25. Referrals of new users who spend at least $30 will receive a $30 bonus. Added benefits and features are provided by browser extensions. Drawbacks: low cashback rates of just 1%. App freezing issues have been reported by users. To redeem, you must earn $5 in cashback. Every 3 months, payments are made. Rakuten, formerly known as Ebates, is one of the best cashback apps for making money. It offers discounts from a variety of merchants and offers welcoming sign-up and referral incentives. The app allows you to receive some cash back for purchases you would have made anyway, even though you must spend money to make money. Accessible on both iOS and Android. 4. Junkie Survey. With instant payment available via gift cards or PayPal, Junkie offers demographic-based surveys that can be finished in 30 minutes or less. Pros. By completing pertinent surveys for marketing and research companies, you can earn money. Provides users with the opportunity to earn money by selling their browsing data. To protect your identity, submit data anonymously. Utilize PayPal or online gift cards to exchange points for money. Cons. Identity confirmation prior to surveys can get tiresome. You might get invitations to old surveys. To ensure validity, some surveys include repeated questions. If you don't meet the requirements, surveys that you've only partially completed may be cancelled. By collaborating with businesses and market research firms, Survey Junkie gives users the chance to complete surveys in return for points that can be instantly exchanged for gift cards or cash via PayPal. The best survey money-making app is Survey Junkie for this reason. Some surveys ask you the same questions over and over to confirm your identity. It should be noted that Survey Junkie reserves the right to disqualify and award only a portion of the points to respondents who don't meet the requirements at any time during the survey. In addition to demographic surveys, this money-making app gives users the chance to be selected for additional surveys based on their browsing history. In order to find new surveys for you, the Survey Junkie Pulse extension tracks digital activities such as searches, websites, shopping, and more. It is available as a browser extension and mobile app. All responses are submitted anonymously by Survey Junkie to protect user data. Accessible on both iOS and Android. 3. Uber. Driving and delivering when you want to earn money when it suits you, and you can withdraw money up to 5 times per day. Advantages: work when you want to earn money on your terms. Using a single driver app, you can deliver food and drive passengers. Obtain cash up to 5 times each day. After expenses, earn $10 to $20 an hour. Cons: participation may be prohibited by model year requirements. The service fee that drivers must pay varies depending on cost and other considerations. Location and demand determine how much money you can make. The driver application can be picky. The best money-making app for car owners is Uber, which provides users with 2 ways to earn: instant payouts, and a streamlined app for accepting new work. If you're eligible, this company that specializes in ride-sharing and food delivery makes it simple for anyone with a car to make money when it suits them. You need to. Up to 5 withdrawals per day are permitted. The following variables affect your earnings for each trip. Average travel costs, a starting price that varies by city and is based on the length and distance. Keep in mind that you, as a driver, are responsible for paying for vehicle maintenance. Drivers are also charged a service fee by Uber, which is subtracted from their payment. You must pay taxes on your income because Uber drivers are regarded as independent contractors. Accessible on both iOS and Android. 2. OfferUp. By enabling anyone to list items for sale on its online marketplace, OfferUp modernizes the Craigslist idea. Positives: direct messaging with buyers within the app. Uploading and selling images is simple. Decide on a firm price or an asking price that leaves room for negotiation. Accept cash payments for small-scale transactions or send products across the country. Cons: you are in charge of delivery unless you select shipping. Favorable search results: members of Promote Plus and other promoted items. The cost of shipping an item is 12.9%, with a $1.99 minimum charge. With its straightforward and user-friendly marketplace, OfferUp, which recently acquired rival Letgo, makes online selling less stressful. OfferUp takes the top spot as the best money-making app for selling used items because it has a simplified listing process and lets users sell locally or nationally. Users can ship products through OfferUp, but it primarily supports local transactions. You can set an item to buy now with a predetermined shipping cost rather than continually checking for offers and messages. Buyers typically pay in cash because the majority of transactions take place locally. Before the sale is finalized, buyers have 2 days to review a shipped item after it has arrived. Within 5 business days, buyers pay the sellers. You can attract customers by promoting your products. You have the option to either sign up for a membership or make a one-time payment to promote your product. 1. Swagbucks. Swagbucks doesn't pay much, but it offers a variety of ways for users to make money, including cash back for eligible purchases and odd jobs like taking surveys, watching videos, playing games, and more. Positives: easily acquire points. $10 welcome bonus after users spend $25. Gain 10% Swagbucks through recommendations. Use PayPal to exchange points for gift cards or cash. Users who are motivated can make up to $100 per month. Cons: Swagbucks aren't worth much, 100 SB equals $1. In general, tasks don't award many points. Due to demographics, surveys may automatically disqualify you during the process. It may take up to 10 business days to receive rewards. Only certain demographics have access to the highest paying surveys. Although Swagbucks won't pay as much as other side jobs, it is a simple way for anyone with a smartphone to earn extra cash by completing odd jobs or by earning cashback, which is why it takes the top spot for odd jobs. Users are compensated by this revenue-generating app through partnerships with marketing firms. Swagbucks, SB, can be earned by making purchases, watching videos, completing surveys, participating in games, and using search engines. It's easy to get started and there are no payment details needed. Users can keep track of their earnings with the aid of the daily checklist feature. When a credit card is linked, you can receive cashback on in-store purchases. New users are eligible to receive a $10 welcome bonus after making $25 in purchases from retail partners. Additionally, Swagbucks rewards referrals. Through Swagbucks, you can exchange points for rewards right away. However, it might take up to 10 business days to receive cash via PayPal or gift card codes. Accessible on both iOS and Android. So, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed the video. Use the comment section below to tell us what you think about the video. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to be notified of all the latest videos.